Alright guys, today we're going to be doing an oil change and a tire rotation on a 2021 Subaru Ascent. First thing we're going to do, take off the oil cap, and we are going to crack the oil filter. So that way when we go up underneath, we can let gravity bleed it and it flows faster. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to break it. Alright, take this, attach that onto the drain. And we're going to let that drain in there. While that drains, we will get started on the tire rotation. Alright, so with this is either going to be a 19 millimeter, or if you do SAE, it's going to be 3/4. Since this is all-wheel drive, we're going to X pattern the tires. And you will see what I mean by that. And another thing, you want to make sure that you go in star pattern to make sure that you have even distribution on the tire. Alright, and as we hit down these last bolts, then we're going to go up underneath and we're going to close off the drain bolt, torque it down to spec, 31 foot-pounds, and then we're going to pour oil in and replace the filter as well. Alright, so now torquing down to 31 foot-pounds, and what we're going to do is we're also going to clean it up and hit it with the anti-tamper. The oil is clean. Alright, anti-tamper. Once again, that just shows that I completed the oil change. So this takes 4.7 quarts of oil. This is 5, so I'm going to go ahead and pour the full 5. It's not going to hurt it. If you spill any oil, just clean it up at the end. And this is 020 high mileage Pennzoil oil. It's the only thing I use on cars. So we have the STP filter. Just twist it on hand tight, and that's it. Then the very last thing you're going to do, obviously clean up, but after every single oil change, everyone gets a custom made SV Automotive oil change reminder, and you're good to go. The torque spec is 89 foot-pounds, but I'm putting mine to 90. You want to make sure that the tire is making contact with the ground so you get the proper amount of torque. And you want to do it in a star pattern for even distribution. Alright, so now what you're going to do is obviously put the sticker up and go ahead and reset it if you have not already. And you have the car turned on, and right now we're going to do technical oil. Go ahead and turn it off, and you're good to go.